Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you on a Friday. It is about quarter till 4, 3:42, and just wrapping up the day. Just ended my stream. This is the summary report for day number 26 of trading these live accounts. If you're new here, trade 20 funded Apex accounts. We link all of them together, and I trade them using Trade Copier, and I'm just basically journaling my trading. I started this about 7 weeks ago, and everything is fully transparent. It's very important to me that I'm fully transparent, which means you'll see all my trades live, and you will see a summary report at the end of every day that will show my profit and loss. And basically, you'll get a snapshot of how it's going, and you'll be able to track and follow along. And also just want to do just another big thank you to all the support I've received. There's been a lot of different YouTubers and also streamers and traders that have reached out and just encouraged me and shouted me out, and I just really appreciate that. Josh Trades shouted me out. I really appreciated that. The UK Trader did as well. It's just awesome to see. I'm very encouraged by the community. Just, it's not a competition. I don't think anyone feels like it's a competition, and it's just, we're here to encourage each other, and I definitely need it sometimes. We didn't have a great week this week, and we've been on a struggle on these funded accounts since we've started. We're in the red, we're in drawdown, and it's sometimes it can get a little bit discouraging, but I'm still, my mentality or my mental, I'm fine. I'm not that discouraged by this week. We had a couple bad entries. I tried trading NQ, maybe shouldn't have. NQ punished me a couple times, which is not unusual. I should be used to it, but it seems like I keep going back for more. Yeah, today, just for the summary for today, we started off the day again just in the hole. And for the second day in a row, we just, let's just see where, oh, hang on. This morning, we got faked out twice again. We had pre-market, we had right at the open, we had a really nice move up. So I was very bullish on the day, and I was looking for a pullback. We got the pullback here, and I avoided this trap, and I avoided this one. And then on this one, I felt, because of this double bottom, I felt good with my entry right above the EMA, and probably should have been a little more patient. This was a little bit more of an aggressive. Probably should have waited for price to be up here. In hindsight, is always 2020. But entered here. I'm okay with the entry. Obviously, price just went against us, and I got stopped out here. It just is what it is. It happens. Anyway, moving on. The end of the day, or as the day went on, we had this really nice move up. This is where I still need to work on. It feels like after I have a loss on the day, or my first trade is a loss, after that, I'm hesitant to pull the trigger. And that happened right here. I was hesitant to pull the trigger on this pullback. Such a beautiful pullback, beautiful entry right here. And I didn't pull the trigger. I was too cautious about my loss, trying not to get 2 losses in a row. And, I didn't pull the trigger there. And then, of course, what will happen. Next time we get a pullback, I'm like, okay, this time I'm going to enter. When you know what will happen, right? Well, then I do get stopped out. So, and we were really close right here to hitting my first initial profit target. But I will say one thing I've been happy and encouraged about this week is I have been very patient on when I enter my trade and letting that trade play out. Even though it's gone against me, I still have allowed that trade to play out, which is what I was looking for, being more patient when I'm in my trades. So there's a takeaway, I guess that's a positive. But yeah, we got stopped out again here. I continued to be bullish. I did again. This was again an example then after getting stopped out twice in a row. This was another great entry on this pullback, and I didn't take it. Just gun shy. And we did finally once we made new highs here, and then we pulled back. Then I was okay taking this trade, thankfully. Pulled the trigger here and took my first profit target right here, which was great. And my runner, I took profit right here. This I'm okay taking profit, but in hindsight, of course, but this was a premature exit. If I'm being honest, price action did not warrant me to get out of this trade. We were starting to pull back, and I was basically convincing myself that we're going to have a little bit more of a pullback, and I'm just going to get out. So, it's one of those things where it faked me out. Obviously, then we ripped higher. Where my exit should have been was right here. After this pullback right here and getting out at these lower bars, if I just have my stop at the previous bar's lows, this would have trailed all the way up to here. So just a little bit of a learning curve. I was happy with that trade. It was a good trade. We got about 22 ticks on it. So that was good. And then the rest of the day, this was during lunch hour. I wasn't trading. At the end of the day here, I've just not really I didn't want to be buying at these highs. I wasn't just feeling that confident in the price action. So we just kind of sat on our hands in this afternoon. Did not have any trades this afternoon. So that is how the day ended. We did battle back some. We were down like $120 per account after that second loss in a row. We did battle back to basically we're $56, $57 per account in the red. Not what we wanted, but it's not detrimental. So let's look at the profit and loss. Oh, sometimes I wince a little bit when I look at this, so apologies. But part of this channel is I'm being fully transparent, and you're gonna see the good, bad, and ugly. So you can obviously see it's not been great. Like a viewer pointed out to me today, I'm a bad trader. So, and I didn't really have an argument against it. But we're gonna get better. Okay. Anyway, we ended the day minus $1,100 total, and yeah, this equity curve is not what I wanted to see. We had a nice week last week. And yeah, we've had a red week this week. So not what I wanted to see, but onwards and upwards. We're going to learn from it and look forward to starting a new week next week. I will be doing a video. Every Saturday I do a video that basically summarizes the week, and I go through my trades using TradeZella. So stay tuned for that. I'll be uploading that video tomorrow morning. But that's it for now. Everybody have a great weekend. Stay safe, and I hope to see everyone on the live stream Monday morning. Take care.